So I've just put a new set of bars on the pit bike and now it's time to install some new grips. And I've got a neat little trick to install the grips without any wire or grip glue. These are the grips I've got. I really like this full diamond soft compound grip. The grips are marked left and right for each side of the bars. You can also tell the different sized holes. So the right side has got a bigger hole because that's got to go over the throttle tube. And when you squeeze them as well, this one feels a lot thinner. I'm going to start off by cleaning the bars, especially important if these are old bars and there's old grip glue and stuff on there. Now the trick is to use some paint as both a lubricant and an adhesive for the grips. Best to use clear coat so you don't make a mess. Spray a good amount into here. And then making sure the grips are lined up the way you want them. Not as important with these full diamonds, but if you've got like a half waffle, and really just work that in. Make sure to get any air out of there. Have a rag handy so you can just wipe up any excess, and then repeat on the other side. Now I'm going to leave this for about half an hour while it dries and we'll come back. It hasn't even been half an hour, but the grips are completely stuck on now and they'll stay like that.